The Ocean Beneath the Ice Part 1. Tonight, there is nowhere you need to be, and nothing you need to solve. The day has ended, and for a little while, the world can continue without your attention. Allow yourself to become comfortable. Close your eyes if you wish, and imagine a journey far beyond Earth. Not to a distant galaxy, not to an alien civilization, but to a quiet moon orbiting a giant planet. A place that may contain one of the greatest mysteries in the solar system, a hidden ocean beneath an endless shell of ice. Our journey begins millions of kilometers from Earth. The blue planet slowly fades into the darkness behind us. The moon becomes a small silver dot. Ahead stretches the vastness of space. Stars shine in every direction. The sun appears smaller now, no longer dominating the sky as it does from Earth. We continue outward, crossing the orbit of Mars. Beyond lies a region filled with ancient rocks and forgotten worlds. Time seems to slow. Silence surrounds everything. Far ahead, a giant begins to emerge from the darkness. Jupiter. Even from a great distance, it appears enormous. Bands of white, gold, and orange clouds wrap around the planet. Storms larger than Earth move through its atmosphere. The famous Great Red Spot turns slowly among the clouds, a storm that has lasted for centuries. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, a world so massive that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside. But tonight our destination is not Jupiter itself. Orbiting around the giant planet are dozens of moons. Some are small and irregular, others are entire worlds. Among them is Europa. At first Europa appears simple, a bright white sphere reflecting sunlight. Compared to Earth it seems small. Compared to Jupiter it seems tiny. Yet appearances can be misleading. Beneath its frozen surface may exist an ocean containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. As we approach, details begin to emerge. Long dark lines stretch across the icy landscape. Cracks run for hundreds and sometimes thousands of kilometers. Some intersect one another like giant roads, crossing an endless frozen plain. The surface appears smooth compared to many other moons. There are surprisingly few impact craters. This suggests something remarkable. Europa's surface is constantly being renewed. Imagine floating above this frozen world. The ice below extends to the horizon. Sunlight reflects softly from its surface. The sky above is completely black. There is no atmosphere thick enough to create a blue sky. The stars remain visible even during the day. In the distance, Jupiter hangs above the horizon, enormous and beautiful. It fills a large portion of the sky, striped with swirling clouds. The view is peaceful. Yet beneath the frozen shell lies one of the greatest mysteries known to science, an ocean. For decades, scientists have gathered evidence suggesting that Europa hides a vast liquid ocean beneath its icy crust. The ice may be many kilometers thick. Below it, dark water extends into the depths. No sunlight reaches these hidden seas. No waves sparkle beneath a blue sky. The ocean exists in complete darkness, and yet it may not be empty. The idea seems almost impossible. On Earth, life exists nearly everywhere water can be found. It thrives in deserts, forests, oceans, glaciers, and even near deep-sea volcanic vents where sunlight never reaches. Entire ecosystems survive around sources of heat, rising from Earth's interior. Europa may possess similar conditions. Deep beneath the ice, tidal forces generated by Jupiter constantly squeeze and stretch the moon. This motion creates heat inside Europa. The heat may keep portions of the ocean liquid, despite the freezing temperatures of space. Imagine descending through the ice. The frozen surface slowly disappears above. Darkness surrounds us. Kilometers of ice stretch in every direction. The journey continues downward. Eventually, a faint glow appears. Water, a hidden ocean untouched by sunlight for billions of years. The water is silent. No ships have ever crossed it. No fish have ever been seen swimming within it. No human being has ever visited it. It remains one of the most unexplored places in the solar system. As we drift through the dark ocean, tiny particles move within the water. Minerals rise from below. Chemical reactions occur in complete silence. Somewhere deep beneath us may exist rocky seafloors warmed by internal heat. If such environments exist, they could provide energy capable of supporting life. Not cities, not civilization, perhaps only simple microscopic organisms. Yet even the smallest form of life would transform our understanding of the universe. For centuries, humanity wondered whether life exists beyond Earth. Most searches focused on distant planets orbiting distant stars. Yet one possible answer may be hidden much closer to home, beneath the ice of a small moon orbiting Jupiter. The thought is calming. Somewhere in the darkness, perhaps tiny organisms drift through alien waters. Perhaps chemistry has created something unexpected. Or perhaps the ocean remains completely empty, a silent sea waiting to reveal its secret. For now, nobody knows. The mystery remains. Above the ocean, the ice continues its slow movement. Cracks shift, frozen plates drift. Jupiter's gravity pulls and releases the moon in a never-ending cycle. Millions of years pass, then millions more. Europa remains patient. It has existed for billions of years. It can wait a little longer for visitors. Far above the frozen surface, the stars continue shining. Jupiter glows against the darkness. The solar system follows its ancient rhythms. And beneath the ice, hidden from the light of the sun, an ocean sleeps in silence, holding secrets older than human history itself. The ocean beneath the ice part 2. The hidden ocean stretches endlessly into the darkness. Above it lies a shell of ice, many kilometers thick. Beyond the ice hangs the silent blackness of space. And far overhead, Jupiter continues its slow journey across the sky. Here, beneath the frozen surface of Europa, time seems different. The ocean has existed for billions of years. Entire chapters of Earth's history have come and gone, while these dark waters remained hidden beneath the ice. As our journey continues deeper into the ocean, the darkness becomes complete. There is no sunrise here, no sunset, no moonlight reflecting across waves. Sunlight cannot penetrate the immense thickness of ice above. Yet the ocean is not entirely lifeless or still. Tiny currents move through the water. Minerals drift slowly through the depths. Heat rises from below. Far beneath us, the seafloor begins to emerge. At first it appears only as distant shadows. Then rocky formations become visible. Mountains rise from the darkness. Valleys stretch across the seabed. The landscape resembles parts of Earth's deep oceans, yet it remains entirely alien. Suddenly a faint glow appears, a hydrothermal vent. Hot mineral-rich water rises from beneath the seafloor and enters the surrounding ocean. Similar structures exist on Earth. Around them, entire ecosystems survive without sunlight. Instead of relying on energy from the sun, life uses energy released by chemical reactions. Scientists believe environments like these may offer one of the best opportunities for life to exist on Europa. Imagine drifting beside one of these vents. Warm water rises through the darkness. Minerals sparkle faintly. The surrounding ocean remains calm. If life exists here, it may have existed for millions or even billions of years. Entire ecosystems could have developed beyond human observation. Perhaps tiny microorganisms gather around sources of heat. Perhaps simple multicellular organisms drift through the currents. Or perhaps life has evolved in ways completely different from anything found on Earth. No one knows. That uncertainty is part of the beauty. The universe still contains places where mystery remains untouched. As we continue exploring, the ocean seems endless. The water stretches farther than imagination can easily comprehend. Europa's hidden sea may contain more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Despite being smaller than our planet, it may possess one of the largest oceans in the solar system. The thought feels almost impossible. An entire ocean hidden beneath ice. A world within a world. A place that may never have seen sunlight since the day it formed billions of years ago. Above us, the frozen crust shifts slowly. Massive plates of ice move over geological timescales. Cracks open and close. New surface features appear. The moon remains active despite its frozen appearance. Jupiter's gravity continuously squeezes and stretches Europa, generating heat within its interior. Without this process, the ocean might have frozen solid long ago. Instead, the hidden sea survives. Millions of years pass. The ocean remains. Hundreds of millions of years pass. The ocean remains. Civilizations rise and fall on Earth. The ocean remains. Europa waits patiently while history unfolds elsewhere. Far above the surface, humanity continues advancing. New telescopes study distant worlds. Robotic spacecraft travel farther than ever before. Scientists learn more about the solar system with each passing decade. Eventually, missions arrive at Europa. Powerful instruments scan the surface. Radar penetrates the ice. Measurements reveal clues hidden beneath the frozen shell. Every discovery increases excitement. Every new piece of evidence strengthens the possibility that something extraordinary may exist below. One day, perhaps many years from now, a robotic explorer may descend through the ice. Imagine such a machine slowly melting downward through kilometers of frozen water. The journey could take months, perhaps years. Finally, after an incredibly long descent, the machine reaches the ocean. For the first time in history, human technology enters an alien sea. Its lights illuminate dark water that no human eyes have ever seen. Cameras search the depths. Sensors examine the environment. Humanity listens carefully, waiting, hoping, wondering what might appear in the darkness. Perhaps nothing, perhaps only water and stone. Yet even that would be extraordinary. Or perhaps tiny organisms drift through the currents. Perhaps signs of biology emerge from the data. Perhaps the universe reveals that life is not unique to Earth. Such a discovery would change history forever. Humanity would learn that life can emerge in more than one place. The cosmos would suddenly feel less empty. The distance between worlds would seem smaller. The connection between all living things would become greater. For now, however, Europa remains quiet. The future has not arrived yet. The mystery continues sleeping beneath the ice. And there is something peaceful about that. Not every question needs an immediate answer. Some mysteries make the universe more beautiful simply by existing. The stars continue shining. Jupiter continues turning. Europa continues orbiting through space. Beneath its frozen crust, the hidden ocean remains dark, calm, and ancient. As our journey slowly comes to an end, imagine rising once more toward the surface. The ocean fades beneath us. The ice returns. Layers upon layers of frozen water stretch overhead. Eventually faint sunlight appears. The surface emerges. White plains extend toward the horizon. Dark fractures cross the ice like giant brushstrokes painted across a frozen canvas. Above hangs Jupiter, magnificent and immense. Its cloud bands swirl endlessly. Storms larger than Earth drift through its atmosphere. The giant planet illuminates the frozen landscape with reflected light. Everything feels silent. Everything feels timeless. Europa circles Jupiter. Jupiter circles the sun. The solar system continues its ancient dance. Somewhere far away, Earth glows beneath the same star. People sleep, dream, wonder, and explore. And here, beneath the frozen shell of a distant moon, an ocean waits patiently in the darkness, holding secrets that may someday reveal one of the greatest discoveries in the history of science. Until then, the hidden sea remains undisturbed, a silent ocean beneath the ice, a world of mystery, a world of possibility, a world quietly drifting through the endless night of space.